here in Carlsbad on Harding Street. Called out for a leak detection. This leak isn't in the slab, this leak is in the wall, and it's shut the whole complex down. Let's see if I can get you a good picture of it. See it? I saw a little bit of it. There it goes. Let's see. Turn this way. Bam. There it is. Where the leak is, in the wall. It's got a lot of stuff next to it. Try not to burn anything when I go to fix it. A couple boogers up there. It's not going to be an easy fix, but I'm going to make it happen. I got to walk all the way to the front to shut off the water. It's a long way to the front too. So that little pinhole has flooded 2 apartments and it's got the whole building shut down.
Three tenants that were a little bit shower.
Okay.